Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about the states of India. So in that we have discussed about the Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand state. Well children, so let me ask some questions whatever I have finished in the previous class. So tell me children, which state is called the green land of India? Tell me, which state is called the green land of India? Very good. Haryana. The next question, which state is called the land of gods? Which state is called the land of God? Yes, Himachal Pradesh, due to its numerous temple. Which state is called the land of forest? Land of forest. Tell me children. Yes, Jharkhand. Which state has the longest seashore? Longest seashore. Very good. Gujarat. Which state is smallest by area? Goa. Very good. So these are all the things children we have discussed in the previous class. So today's class you are going to see the again some states. So today we see the next state, that is the Karnataka. So will you tell me children, which is the capital city of Karnataka? Yes, very good. Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. Capital is Bangalore. Very good. So which languages here spoken children in Karnataka? Tell me. Famous Karnataka, Kannada. You know? Kannada. Then Tulu and Kodwa. What is that? Languages here spoken in Karnataka. First Kannada. Then Tulu. Then Kodwa. So these are the languages are spoken in Karnataka. Now we'll visit to Karnataka state. Here you can see children, Karnataka is one of the richest provinces. It offers variety in its cultural, art and food. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru or Bangalore. Karnataka has one of the most high educated population in India. The economy of the state is depend on agriculture, animal husbandry, mining, quarrying, manufactures, information, technology, education, etc. Karnataka is a fascinating place to visit. Mysore city, it is the official residence of the Mysore Palace is now one of the most famous tourist attraction. Chamundi Hills. Stone chariots in Hampi. See the Hampi Utsav. Tulu. Kodwa. Urdu. These are the languages are spoken in Karnataka. Karnataka is an important prompt of classical dance, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, you can see children here. Famous festival is Dasara procession in Mysore. Srimati M.S. Subbulakshmi, who is a famous Carnatic music. Okay, just now I have shown some images of Karnataka. So children, Bangalore city is also called the city of gardens because of numerous garden. You can see in the Bangalore, so it is also called the city of garden and the Silicon Valley of India. Clear children? So here you can see the Karnataka's capital city is the Bangalore. Bangalore is also called the city of gardens because of its numerous garden. It's called the city garden and it is also called the Silicon Valley of India. Languages spoken in Karnataka, that is Kannada, Tulu, Kodwa. And I have shown some images of the Dasara and the Mysore Palace, which is the tourist spot. Dasara is the famous festivals. Clear children? So the next we will see the Kerala. So when you tell me what is the capital city of Kerala? Which is the capital city of Kerala? Will you tell me? Yes. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. So here the languages spoken in Kerala, that is Malayalam and English. Okay children? So this land is also called the land of Kera. Land of Kera means what? Coconut. Because that land, that in that state, in Kerala state, we can see the numbers of coconut trees. So it is called the land of Kera or the coconut. Also it's called the God's own country. Clear children? So there is a numbers of things are there to learn in this state. Clear? Here we can see in the education, in the literacy rate, it is the highest literacy rate in the country. That is the Kerala only. So Kathakali dance is very famous. That is the traditional dance for the Kerala and it is the very famous. Clear children? So they will, in the Onam, they will keep the snake boat race. They are keeping some games. That is a very popular event in Kerala. That is a snake boat racing. So, which is the capital city of Kerala children? It's a Thiruvananthapuram. So, capital is Thiruvananthapuram and the languages spoken in Kerala, that is the Malayalam and English. It is the highest literacy rate in the country. Highest means what? More we can see there, okay children? Highest. Literacy rate in the country. Highest literacy rate in the country we can see in the Kerala only. So here in the space special occasion like the Onam, they will keep the boat race or the very popular event. What is that? Snake boat race. Snake boat race. That means how it is? The boat is like a snake shape. The boat is like a snake shape. The people will sit here. So this is the very popular event in the Kerala. That is a snake boat races. So here you can see, children. This you can see the snake boat racing. Yes. So this is the very popular event in the Kerala. See the shape of the boat, how it is. It looks like a snake shape only. Okay, children. So here we can see in the Kerala Kathakali dance. See the Kathakali dance. So next we can see the Mohiniyattam dance. So Kerala is also called the land of Kera because of numbers of coconut trees. We can see that. So it is also called the land of Kera or coconut or the land of coconut. Clear, children? So this is about the Kerala. Kerala's capital city is the Thiruvananthapuram. Languages are spoken there, Malayalam and English. Here, it has the highest literacy rate in the country. Snake boat race are a popular event in the Kerala. Kerala is also called the land of Kera or land of coconut because of the numbers of coconut tree plantation we can see in the Kerala. Kathakali is the famous dance in Kerala. So next we'll see, children, Madhya Pradesh. So which is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, children? Yes, Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. So Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh and here languages spoken, that is a Hindi, and the Madhya Pradesh is famous for Khajuraho temple and the marble rock hills at the Jabalpur. It is the sole diamond producing state in India. Which one? That is the Madhya Pradesh. So which is the capital city here? So Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal and the languages here spoken, that is a Hindi. One language only, children, here, Hindi. So Madhya Pradesh is the very famous for the Khajuraho temple and also it is the sole diamond producing in India. We can see here the marble rock hills at Jabalpur. Here you can see this is the Khajuraho temple. Next you can see the marble rock hills. It's in Jabalpur. So Madhya Pradesh, it is the sole diamond producing state in India, children. So Madhya Pradesh, it is the sole diamond producing state in India. Sole diamond producing state in India. Okay, children. So this is about the Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Languages spoken there, Hindi. It is the sole diamond producing state in India. It is also famous for the Khajuraho temple and there we can see the marble rock hills in Jabalpur. Okay children, we'll go to the next state, that is the Maharashtra. So will you tell me which is the capital city of Maharashtra? Very good, Mumbai. Do you know about the Mumbai? Have you visited the Mumbai? Yes, India's largest harbour you can see in the Mumbai. Financial capital of the country. Mumbai is the financial capital of the country. So, which languages are spoken there? Tell me. Yes, Marathi and Koli are the languages spoken in the Maharashtra. We can see in the Maharashtra Ajanta, Ellora caves in Aurangabad, which belongs to the 6th century. Clear children? Lavani is the folk dance. Lavani is the folk dance that is very famous in the Maharashtra. Maharashtrian peoples, they celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi very big. So Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations we can see in the Mumbai. It's a very famous for that Ganesh Chaturthi festival only. How it is the Gujarat Garba is the very famous. In the Mysore we can see the Dasara. Dasara procession is very famous. So like that here in the Maharashtra they will celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi very good. It's a very big only, and the Lavani dance is the folk dance of Maharashtra. Clear children? So what is the next here? Next is the Maharashtra. So which is the capital city of Maharashtra children? Yes, Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Capital is Mumbai. Okay children. So Lavani is the folk dance. Lavani, it is the folk dance. Okay children, and the Ganesh Chaturthi festivals they are celebrating very big here. That is a Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Ganesh Chaturthi festival they are celebrating very big, and the languages here spoken. Tell me Marathi and which languages are spoken here? Marathi and Koli. Languages spoken here Marathi and Koli. So Mumbai, India's large harbour and the financial capital of the country, and here we can see the Ajanta and the Ellora caves in Aurangabad, that is belongs to the 6th century. Clear children? We can see here the Warli art also. Here you can see the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Next you can see children here Lavani dance. Next you can see the Warli art. This is the art. These are all the things we can see in the Maharashtra. So this is about the Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital city. Lavani is the folk dance in Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi they are celebrating very grand. And the languages they are spoken, that is the Marathi and Koli. It is also famous for the Ajanta and the Ellora cave, which belongs to the 6th century. Okay children. The next we will see the Manipur. is what? Manipur. So which is the capital city of Manipur, children? Imphal is the capital city of Manipur. Here the languages spoken, that is the Manipuri and the English. Manipuri means what? Jewel land, jewelries, jewel land. Manipur means what here? Jewel land. Manipuri dance and the handicraft. Handcraft things we can see that in the Manipur. Manipuri dance is the very famous in the Manipur. So here capital is what here, children? Capital is Imphal. Imphal is the capital. Languages that are spoken, that is the Manipuri and English. Languages spoken there, Manipuri and English. So here Manipur means what? Manipur meaning is what? Jewel land. What is the meaning of here? Jewel. Jewel means what, children? Jewel means what? Jewelry. Okay, children. So jewel land. Manipuri dance is the very famous in the Manipur. So here we can see the handcraft things also. So this is the Manipuri dance in the Manipur. See how they are dancing. See their dress. Okay, children. So Manipur, capital is Imphal. Languages are spoken there, Manipuri and English. Manipur means the jewel land, jewel land. Okay, children, jewelry. And the Manipuri is the famous dance in the Manipur. So children, today we have discussed in the Manipur, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. So children, what is your duty here? Whatever capital city I have given, capital city and the languages, why it is very famous, these all the things you have to learn. You have to read from this video only. Okay children, so here children I will show the some images of the Manipur, Madhya Pradesh and the Kerala state. So just to see the images. Dance. See the handmade things. Handicraft means what? Handmade things. See children here how they made with the hand. It looks so beautiful. So here you can see children, this is the Kongpat and the Orchidrum games they will keep in the Manipur. See children, this is the images of Kongpat and Orchidrums. So this we can see in the Manipur. Here you can see the traditional dress of Manipur. These are all the traditional dresses in Manipur. So next image you can see children, Kerala. Kerala is called the land of Kera or coconut because of the plenties of coconut you can see here. You know, because of the coconut tree plantation, this Kerala is also called the land of Kera or coconut. Okay children, so just now I have shown the images of the Manipur. Children, so let me revise today whatever we finished. So Karnataka's capital city is the Bengaluru or Bangalore. The languages spoken in Karnataka, that is the Kannada, Tulu and Kodava. Next is the Kerala. Kerala's capital city is the Thiruvananthapuram. Malayalam and the English languages are spoken in Kerala. Next is the Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital city is Bhopal. Hindi is the languages that are spoken. Next we discussed about the Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Marathi and Koli languages are spoken in Maharashtra. Next is the Manipur. Imphal is the capital city of Manipur. Manipuri and the English languages are spoken in the Manipur. So here children, we have finished today 5 states. So based on that, I will give the homework for you children. That homework you have to write in the EVS part. Write the unit number, lesson number, then start the homework. Garba is the dance form of dash. Okay children. Next, second one. Dash means the jewel. Dash means the jewel land. Next one. Third one. Marathi and Koli languages are spoken in dash state. Okay children. Next one. Fourth one. Dash is the capital of Kerala. Dash is the capital of Kerala. So here children, I have given the 4 filling the blanks. This filling the blanks you have to write in the social part. Don't write the English part. Fill in the blanks. So only I have given the 4. Just you can see Garba is the dance form of dash. You have to write which state. Dash means the jewel land. Which state means the jewel land. Marathi and Koli languages are spoken in dash state. Which state? You can see the Marathi and Koli languages. Last one, dash is the capital of Kerala. So children, to get this all the answers, what to do? You have to see this video from starting till ending. Don't see the half. If you see the half, then you won't get this all the filling the blanks. So children, see the video from starting till ending. Then only you will get this all the filling the blanks. So children, just please do in the notebook and then send me in the app children. Okay, then same thing I will continue in the next class. So today we have finished the 5 states only. Remaining states we will discuss in the tomorrow's class. Till that time you have to see this video and do the homework and then send me in the app children. Thank you children.